The concept of what is the most beautiful revolver is always going to be subjective, but whenever you hear the conversation, there are two that always seem to come up, and they're both going to be shown here in this video. It seems it's a constant debate between a Smith & Wesson 29-2 6.5-inch blued, as featured in the Harry Callahan movies, with the beautiful recessed cylinders. That is a Smith & Wesson 29-2 blued. That comes up, and of course the Colt Python comes up a lot, as this beautiful 1979, or no, this is a 69 version of a 6-inch barreled Colt Python. So I don't know if we're going to decide which of the two is actually a better looking gun, but they're both gorgeous. There's not many videos where you see them side to side, and it's possible that you're not into either one because you're into nickel guns. So we'll just throw that 29-2 8 3/8 barrel nickel up there in contrast. Actually, maybe I should just hold it here. I'm not going to get into the specs of each gun. See, under the light it looks blue, but I assure you this is nickel. That really does look very blue. So anyway, I will let the viewers decide what they think is a better looking gun. I'm interested to know. So 29-2 44 Magnum. This one's a 1964 or a 1969 Colt Python. Let me know. If you're interested in more information or better look at either of the guns, I do have videos up on them. Thanks for watching.